What's up everybody, this is Carmezy back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the auxiliary pack by Boundary Supply. This is an attachment for their errant backpack. I got this through Kickstarter, and I really like this pack, and I really do like this added compartment as well. Just an additional attachment to allow you to carry more stuff. It's not something I would use every day with the errant, because I don't really use the errant every day, mainly just for like day trips, weekend trips, stuff like that. But I actually really do use the compartment as my daily carry. So right off the bat, I'll address the issues some people were having. So some of the issues people were having were these little hooks on the side actually coming off, and then their auxiliary pack kind of flopping around. But I can see that happening if it was empty. You know, it kind of bounces up and down. But with having this thing fully loaded, I've never ran into the issue. This thing is actually kind of like weighing it down. So in my daily use, I've never actually had it like come apart. Even if it does though, one of those hooks, you still have the other. That one comes undone. Then you still have this bottom hook that's on there really securely. So if it does happen to come off, you're not gonna lose it. You just have to reattach it. But in my case, I've never had that happen. But yeah, it's really cool. I'll show you guys how it looks. Let me just reattach this thing. So one thing that's cool about it is, like I said, it does allow you to carry additional stuff, but it's not like super bulky. It is going to add some extra dimension to it when you're walking around, but it's not something to where I feel like I'm going to look ridiculous if I have this thing. So if I did go on a trip, I'd probably throw this thing on there. It's, like I said, you're not going to look ridiculous walking around with the added auxiliary pack on there, so I dig it. So as much as I love the errant backpack, I don't find myself using it every day. However, the auxiliary pack has become my daily carry. It comes with these straps, so I pretty much use it as a sling bag on the daily. It's pretty good. I was using a fanny pack as a sling bag for a while, and that was a little bit too small. I couldn't really carry everything that I wanted to. But at the same time, there's bags that other people offer as far as sling bags, and they're just too big. The whole point for me with a sling bag is something that's smaller than a regular backpack, you know, but big enough to be my daily carry. And this pretty much fits all my needs, and it looks pretty cool. Take this with me to work and pretty much wear it as a sling bag. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I keep in here on the daily, and yeah. So now let's take a closer look at the pack and see what I actually keep inside. So you do have YKK zippers, so everything is waterproof. So I know everything that I put in here, whatever electronics, are going to be safe. Yeah, these straps attach from these little lash points right here. Here are those little hooks that attach to the errant when you're using it for that. Nothing on the back, but yeah, nice form factor. A lot of room in here. I don't have it fully loaded up, but I do have a lot of stuff in here. So in this first compartment, kind of opens up like this, and I do keep a couple pens, a couple Sharpie pens. When you have this fully loaded, it's not the easiest to get inside, but it's not really too big of a hassle. So then I have those, and then my other pen of choice, this stainless steel Sharpie pen. And then I have a power bank. This is by Pocket Juice, a 20,000 milliamp power bank, so that way I can charge up my phone and everything else. I keep this cable, this little multi-cable. It has a micro USB, a Type-C USB, and a Lightning, and you'll see why that's important. And then it also has this little compartment right here for sunglasses, so I have a pair of sunglasses in there. And then what else? I have my AKG wired headphones. It came with my phone. I do have other headphones. I normally use headphones from JBL, but I do like these AKG headphones. They sound really nice, and I feel comfortable just tossing these in here since they kind of came with the phone. But yeah, sound really nice. I dig them. And then so that's pretty much it for this compartment, but there is a lot of room in here. Could put more in there, but that's all I need. And then getting into the main compartment. So there is two main pockets. This elastic pocket right here, and then this zippered mesh pocket, and then a main compartment that you could throw stuff inside. So in this back compartment, this sleeve, I keep my iPad mini. I just got this thing, really like it. Oh, don't see my notifications. But yeah, I got this smart case on here with a bunch of Dragon Ball Z stickers, and I have my Apple Pencil. I do use the old iPad Pro, so the fact that this uses the old Apple Pencil was really cool for me because I didn't have to buy another one. But I did used to keep a notebook. I used to keep 2 notebooks in here. I'd keep one for notes and all my YouTube stuff, and then I'd keep a sketchbook. But now that I got my iPad mini, it pretty much is smaller than both. Probably even, yeah, and weighs less than both. And I can do a lot more than I could with just a sketchbook and a journal. So, yeah, I really dig this thing. Keep that in the back compartment. And then in this mesh one, go ahead and unzip that. And it's just some of my little daily things that I carry. One thing I carry on me is these cinnamon toothpicks. They're called tea tree therapy, and they're birch wood infused with cinnamon and tea tree oil and menthol. So you just chew these, and it's kind of like a stress reliever. So not only are you like cleaning your teeth, but you chew these and you get a nice cinnamon taste, and yeah, freshen your breath and reduce stress. So I like these a lot. Keep those on me. And then also I have some Listerine strips. Go hand in hand with the toothpicks. Got to keep that breath fresh. And then got some Burt's Bees lip balm. I got some Mio Energy. Some of those little things you squirt into the water. Just a little bit of caffeine and flavor, so that way it can get me through the day without having to drink a Red Bull or nothing like that. I'm pretty skinny, so the Red Bulls make me all jittery. So this is a pretty good replacement. Another thing I have is another product from Burt's Bees. It's a little hand balm thing. I use that for my hands. Well, any kind of skin thing, if your skin's dry. Little Burt's Bees. Looks kind of nasty, but it works. Then I got my little Katy Perry sticker on there. You'll probably see that sticker a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I have for the stuff inside my pack. But what I do like is I usually keep this little centerpiece empty, and I have enough room in here to throw my phone and also throw in my radio for work. So most of the time I'll throw my radio inside the middle. I'll still have everything else in here, but I'll throw my radio in the middle and then throw my phone in here too. And I'll actually have enough room for everything, so that way I can go through security and just put my bag in there without having to take out my phone, take out my radio, and all that kind of stuff. But then also, when I'm not using it for work, and maybe I'm going to one of my friend's house, it does have enough room for my Nintendo Switch. So I actually have like everything else in here, have all my goodies, and then my iPad in the back, and still have plenty of room for my Switch. Probably even throw my Powerade controller in here too. And I do have enough room for all of that, so it's pretty cool. Normally, like I said, I'll have that centerpiece open, so that way I can actually throw my radio in there for work, or say if I'm at the store or something, I can throw something in there, maybe a bag of chips or something, and not have to carry it. But if I'm going to a friend's house too, I'll throw my Switch in here. Maybe even throw my PS Vita in here, if I can get it out. But yeah, so enough to carry all my daily stuff. And then a few others, and like I said too, going back with the multi-cable and the power bank, this is able to charge my Nintendo Switch if I'm carrying that, my phone, my iPad mini, and then it also has the micro USB, so if I want to charge this thing. So yeah, that's pretty much my daily carry. I've been using this thing for a while, and it pretty much goes with me anywhere. If you do have any other kind of recommendations, something that might be similar to this, I'd be interested in checking it out. But yeah, this thing, great accessory for the errant backpack, and a great daily carry option. I think it's only like $60 or something like that by itself. So even though it's a compartment that's supposed to be meant for another bag, even if I didn't own the errant at all, I'd probably just buy this for the daily carry as it is, you know. There was some other options I was looking at, like there's one by Peak Design that's oh, I got a notification. But one by Peak Design that's a tech bag, but it doesn't even come with a strap. So this one comes with a strap already. So if you buy this, you don't even need to own the errant backpack. You could just buy this as is and use this as your daily carry like I've been doing. So yeah, hopefully you found this informative. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.